this video, we will set up a Telegram bot. We open Chrome, note the URL, enter your phone number and click on Next. We will receive a code in our phone. We enter the code here. This is a brand new Telegram account. We can also see the code sent to us here. The next step, we need bot further that we use to create bots. Add bot further in our Telegram account. We navigate to t.me/bot further. It opens page that says bot further is a bot to rule them all. Use it to create new bots accounts and manage your existing bots. Click on Open in Web. We need to explicitly opt in the bot by clicking Start button. And we are in. We see a set of commands that bot further uses to create and manage bots. We can also click on icon below here to see all the commands. Create a new bot. We can click on New Bot command. We could type it out. Then we need to give the bot a name. Call it Teleweather. Next, we need to choose a username for the bot. This is a unique name that must end with a bot. You can choose to use camel-case or snake naming formats. This unique name can be difficult to find, so let's try our luck. We try Teleweather bot, and it's taken. Let's try weather now. Needs to end with a bot. Let's try something different. How about weather XYZ bot? And voila, it's available. Important thing to note here is the access token we'll use to make API calls to this bot. So we get a link to the API documentation. In the next video, we will look at the documentation. We can go back to the bot further, and we can manage the bot we have created using my bots command. And we click on the bot to manage. Have option to change bot like token. We can also edit the name we had put on earlier. Click on edit name, type a different name, whether XYZ, and it's pretty easy. That's how we set bot. So see you in the next video.